Open Google Earth to the general location under consideration. Then create a path along the area of interest. Go to Tools tab, select options under ShowLat/long section. Set this to Universe Transverse Mercator, UTM, or your preferred projection. Select Grid option under the View tab. This presents a numbered grid overlaid on the globe. Add a placemark over the area under consideration. Under the placemark properties, check the zone and northing. If the zone is 37 and the latitude/northing is N, then the zone is 37N. Save the KML to your preferred location. In Civil 3D, the drawing settings can be accessed from Toolspace Settings. Right-click on Drawing Name, Edit Drawing Settings. Set the zone to that identified earlier in Google Earth. Use the command map import to bring in your KML or KMZ file. Choose the OGC file, Google KML file format. Imported points will be in the placemark layer. Now you can enable Map Aerial from the Geolocation ribbon tab to check the geographic position of the imported geometry.